Igbo Area TV on Igbo.
Hello viewers. Anambra is not Imo State. PDP chairman tells Uzodinma. The chairman, Anambra State chapter of PDP, People's Democratic Party PDP, Mr. Nwobu, has dismissed Hope Uzodinma's boast to capture the state in the November 6 gubernatorial election. He considers that as just daydreaming. We gather that Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma, who is also the APC leader in Southeast, had declared that his party would win Anambra governorship election as a starting point for its quest to clinch APC presidential ticket in 2023. But Nwobu said that his party decided not to banter words with Uzodinma after the Southeast APC zonal stakeholders meeting, because the party's zonal leader statement has no reflection of true political realities in Anambra. MNK na-ekwu ndị Supreme Court tinyere n'oche. Onye ndị Supreme Court tinyere n'oche bịakwala iwefeta aka na Anambra. As the case may be, Nwobu recalled that Uzodinma claimed concerning how he would employ both seen and unseen forces to capture Anambra. Nwobu then said that come November 6th, Uzodinma would know that Anambra is not Imo State. Perhaps Uzodinma is talking about unseen vote rigging. Rigging forces, thumbprinting ballots, spirit forces thumbprinting ballot papers. Uzodinma, why not the Supreme Court style? Ndiara. Well, in his statement, Nwobu also said that Uzodinma must have been boasting on the ground that his governorship position was awarded to him by the Supreme Court. In that case, he's not surprised, because anybody in his shoes can do so. In other words, he was being guided by his emergence assumption as governor by a Supreme Court's pronouncement, and not that he won. But he should know that Anambra is not Imo State, he added. A governor imposed on Imo by the Caliphate. According to Nwobu, Anambra governorship election would be settled on the field, and there wouldn't be any need for a second ballot. After the voters have made their choice through voting, people like Hope Uzodinma would know that there is no room for Supreme Court to entertain any form of drama, Nwobu declared. The PDP chairman, however, wondered what made Uzodinma believe that a party like APC, with its bad leadership credentials, destruction of the economy, and noted insecurity, could come to Anambra State and win election, where the people are said to have already decided on how to vote. Speaking on the issue of pending court's conduct over the leadership of PDP in the state, Nwobu said that having come from a properly organized Congress, there was no issue whatsoever as to who was the party chairman in Anambra State. He explained that it was due to the belief by some misguided politicians that the judiciary was corrupt. Hence, all manner of documents could be taken to the court in an attempt to deceive the judges. Speaking on the large number of billionaire governorship aspirants in the party also, he assured that, unlike in recent past, there won't be anything like a parallel governorship primary PDP. He further explained that there are 13 governorship aspirants and even counting. In that case, they are focused and determined to see that they bounce back in the state. See what Nnamdi Kanu said after federal government asked Ohanaeze Ndigbo and Afenifere to respect Miyetti Allah. We all know that one of the troubling issues of insecurity in almost every part of this country today is the land and grazing saga between the Fulani herdsmen and some states. It is no longer news that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo socio-cultural group and Afenifere of the West has refused to accept the activities of headsman Miyetti Allah into their land recently. We had it that it is on the light of this misunderstanding between some Nigerian communities that the president asked Ohanaeze Ndigbo and Afenifere to respect Miyetti Allah and take their minds away from every atom of fear over the headsman. The president asked the two groups to stop their misconceived notions about the herdsmen and also stop treating or even seeing them as terrorists and peacefully receive them. However, the IPOB's leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has taken to his Twitter handle to oppose the pronouncement by president and as such call for a careful look over the disaster that has been brought to the nation by the activities of the group in question. A group which is the open sponsor of the fourth deadliest terrorist group in the world, Kanu stated. He added that this same group has never left anywhere unharmed during any of its clashes with farmers. Therefore, he discredited the idea of instantly saying that it is a pure proof that they don't have any country again for receiving such order, or should I say, warning from the president. World Igbo Congress makes case for support of Eastern Security Network. The World Igbo Congress, WIC, has made case for the support of Eastern Security Network, ESN, as the only volunteer security outfit in the Southeast. The WIC support for the Nnamdi Kanu-led outfit, according to them, was because the Igbo land security cannot be left in the hands of neither the North nor the Southwest Miyetti Allah and Amoteku, respectively. This is because leaders always want to surrender responsibility and hoped it will go away. Basil Onwukwe, the WIC public relations officer, advised the government on Saturday to reduce the tension in Igbo land and avoid any form of provocation towards harmless volunteer youths whom have stood to refuse to watch bandits or whatever group rape their women and kill their people. Laying emphasis on their reason, WIC said their support for ESN is because it is only security outfit available to secure our hinterland as other regions have theirs. He stated that Igbos have been abused, reduced to nothing. Igbo women raped, farmlands deserted, all because the bandits who occupy the Igbo lands only survive in the bushes where they kidnap the Igbos for ransom. Speaking angrily, Onwukwe further stated that it is very concerning that the terror that is being unleashed on the Igbos have not attracted any atom of solution or any form of measure from the federal government of Nigeria to date. According to him, he said the most recent intelligence report by Anderson of the U.S. State Department has expressed concern over Islamic extremism expansion in Nigeria and how Boko Haram Islamic extremists are looking forward to expand further south in the interior state of Imo, Ebonyi, and other southeast states. Onwukwe made it clear that the Igbo Congress know the consequences of a failed state. So therefore, they call on both federal and state governments of Nigeria to avoid all form of escalating hostilities in Igbo land, but find time to fight the insurgent that is entering this country through Northeast. He also said that the group holds sacred the sanctity of lives of every human being. Hence, their support for ESN is of the belief that the measures, those things that will guarantee the security of our Igbo, will be of highest importance. Moreover, WIC is ready to work with any security outfit that is willing to secure Igbo land by ensuring protection of lives and properties. Meanwhile, the youths that are volunteering to do this can be reached out peacefully for any consultation rather than forcing or acting destructively. Everybody's right to life must be respected, Onukwe added. Please, viewers, tell us what you think about these stories. Add your comments. Also, subscribe if you haven't. Click on the bell icon to get our updates. Azuka OJ signs out.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.